Hi guys, DJ Wheatpix here. Today I'll be showing you how to make smooth and clean movement in Scratch. I'll be using the cat as my character. First thing we're going to do is get when green flag clicked and place it here. So when I click the green flag, it'll run whatever code is under here. Then we're going to make two variables. So you go down to variables, click make a variable for all sprites. I'm going to call this one xval. And you click OK, and you see it pops up in the right corner, and here it is as a variable. Then you take set xval to 0. Then we're going to make another one called yval as well for all sprites. It'll as well pop up there. And we're going to say set yval to 0. Then we're going to go and ask a question with the if statement. If key space pressed, then it'll do something. But we don't want space, we want it when D is pressed, because I'm using WASD because I'm on a keyboard. You can as well change it to arrow keys, D being right, A being left, S being down, and W being up, but I'm using the keys now. So when D pressed, it's going to change the X value by 2. And if you right click, duplicate, when A pressed, going to change xval by -2. Then you're going to duplicate all of them, put it at the bottom. When W pressed, so then you find the letter W, change yval by 2. When S pressed, change yval by -2. And then we're going to have down here set xval to, going to be xval, and that's times 0.8, and we're going to have set yval to itself times 0.8, and then we're going to add a few more things. We're going to say change xval by x and change yval by y. So then when I click it, it should work. Nothing's happening. It's wrong. And that is because when you click the flag, it only checks through this once, and it doesn't keep doing it. So we need to add a forever loop. So we put it and put all of those guys in. So then when we push forever, he can move around. And he's got clean, smooth movement. And you see when he moves, he slides, he doesn't stop instantly. You can move around the screen. You see the values up here, they're going crazy. And that's because when you press D, it increases it by 2. So then xval would be 2. You times it by 0.8, which makes the number smaller. So instead of xval, if we put 2, then xval equals 1.6. And because you're setting xval to whatever that answer is, you'd set xval to 1.6. So then it would be 1.6 times 0.8. So then 1.28. So then it keeps getting smaller. So that's why it slows down and it has that drifting feeling. So it doesn't just fully stop. And to make it easier, I'm going to say when flag clicked, go to x0, y0. Click the flag, it goes to the middle of the screen, and then he can move around. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, smash subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome videos.